In this video, we'll guide you through the process of obtaining system information, activating a license code, and performing remote system updates. To access your T-Rex unit system details, select Configure from the top navigation bar, followed by About, and then System. This page contains pertinent information regarding your T-Rex, such as its software and FPGA version, serial number, last calibration date, and license group. Additionally, this page is where you go to perform license activations and remote system upgrades. A license code is used to upgrade your existing T-Rex unit with additional tests, for instance, GPS. The radio, pulse, and RP+ models do not require license code activation unless an additional test has been purchased. To activate a license code, simply enter the code as received by CCX Technologies in the license code text box. The green indicator beside the text box will change from red to green, indicating that the code is valid. Once verified, restart your T-Rex unit to initiate the upgrade. New T-Rex software versions can be downloaded and installed directly onto the device using a remote connection. To access this feature, ensure that your T-Rex is connected to an internet source. Refer to the training video, visual and connectivity settings, for more information on this process. To see if your system needs to be updated, select the Check for Upgrade button. The indicator beside the button will switch from red to green if an update is available. Additionally, a new Upgrade from Server button will appear below. To initiate the upgrade, select the Upgrade from Server button. The system will begin updating, and will automatically reboot once the download is complete. You should now feel equipped to retrieve system information, activate your license code, and initiate remote software upgrades.